internet, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video, and it is the Sugar collection, which I am very curious because I loved the last one. The last one was amazing. Okay, I can already see stuff and I'm actually very excited. There's a lot of stuff in here. Wow, she's just adding more and more stuff into the box each month, but I feel like I'm still getting charged the same amount, so I'm not going to complain. Where is the card? Alright, this is the card. I usually like to keep this on the side so that when I go through everything, I know what I'm expecting. And also I'm very excited to see all the things listed there. So this is the January 2020 box. So the first box 2020 called the Sugar Collection. Let's open this little fluffy ball thing, the keychain, Simply Gilded, established 2015. Oh, it's so cute. You know what? It could probably actually replace the little fluffy thing sitting on my bag right now. I'm considering doing like a bag, what's in my bag video, because I haven't done one in a long time, but I'll probably do it on my other channel, like my main channel. And there's this like little fluff ball that hangs off here, and it is so dirty because it's been there for about a year and a half now, and the bag goes everywhere for work. I even take it when I travel sometimes, so it gets like shoved under the seat in front of me. When I go out, it often sits either on a chair or maybe on the floor next to me. It's nylon, so I don't treat it like I treat any of my luxury bags. I'm just very casual with it, which is part of why I wanted it, because I just was tired of the hassle of having to protect luxury bags. But the little white puff that came with it is so dirty now. So I can either replace it. I'm going to try washing it and see if I can get it to go back to white. But this is kind of a nice replacement too. And then we have some stickers. By the way, I actually did plan a spread with Simply Gilded stickers. I just did it offline to test it, and yeah, the boxes fit the Erin Condren planner perfectly now. So if you do want to plan in your Erin Condren life planner, if I can get these stickers out, they actually do fit. Oh, okay, no, my bad. I've got it like kind of stuck on the side. All right, so so many beautiful stickers. So we've got these foiled hearts, got these more pastel icon hearts. Very functional. They got some decorative full boxes, half boxes. I know this, like, I'm getting, like, I feel like I already know what's there because I used it just to plan the other week. Then we've got some bigger heart boxes, some title, like, week of the day stickers, more full boxes, just functional stickers, and then, okay, other side. Yeah, more full boxes, flags, creative stickers, titles. Yeah, so if you're doing an Erin Condren spread, you'll find that, I'll just zoom out a little bit more, you'll find that it's enough stickers to probably be functional. But if you love that like full spread look with the bottom strips and the title, like the date covers and the sidebars and everything, you may find it a little lacking. That would be my only thing. Yeah, it's good for those people who are not looking for the full-on spread look. So I will probably film a plan with me at some point with my Simply Gilded stickers, but I kind of just want to figure out how I'd want to plan them, because when I used them for my last like spread, the first time I used them, it still needed a little bit of finessing. So this is card, Life is Sweet, and then we have a notebook here, which I will open up in a second just to see. Actually, I'll open it up now, because what's gonna happen, I'll forget. And then I'll like kick myself when I edit this video later and like, ugh, you said you'd do this and you didn't do it. Okay, yes, it is dot grid. I mean, I live for dot grid. I love it when notebooks are more dot grid. Then we have, I guess this is what I'd consider a pencil board. And yeah, it's actually a pencil board where you can just put it in between the pages so you don't imprint. I use this a lot for the book I currently use for translating manga, but I just use random cards, so I could actually use that. And then is this I'm not sure what this is. Let's open it up. Oh, I'm not really sure. Is this like a coaster maybe? I feel like I'd use this as a coaster to put my drink bottles and stuff on to protect the table. It's beautiful. Looks so nice. Okay, and this is what I was excited for, because I saw these two items and I was like, what is this? It kind of looks special. This looks like, oh, it's kind of like a photo album sort of deal. Yeah, it says deluxe mini sticker book. So you could put stickers in here. You guys know that I prefer to put stickers in my binder, like my big binder. Just find it easier to access. But these are so cute. I would use these more for like memory keeping, to be honest, so I don't feel like I have to keep taking them out. But it's such a nice look. And this, I can't remember the name now, but there's this planner, this ring bound planner that kind of has a similar shape to this that I've been kind of considering buying. But then do I really need another planner? No, definitely not, especially now with 2020 like officially welcomed in. 2021 planners are going to come out and I'm going to want to buy those. So yeah, I probably don't need more planners. But if you see it in the future, please don't get mad at me. Oh, it's got a little like key ring here so you can attach like maybe your little fluff ball at the bottom. So I think this is the pouch, which should have all the washi tape in it. It's a beautiful pouch. I love that each month the pouches change and the zip is really nice. By the way, I just want to throw that out there. So this would be that typical gel black pen that she has every single month. So I won't try that out because I might try it every alternative month. But in here we have all the washi tapes, so let me open these up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and you can see these are such amazing washi tapes. I say that every month, I'm very sorry, but it is. So we've got the quintessential bows and you've got kind of a pink to yellow green gradient going on here. You've got a more floral design with foiling, like with the leaves and vines and stuff like that. This is so cute. This is like sprinkles on cupcakes. Like it's like a cake thing, the side of a cake. And then you've got these two mini, can I unstick them, washi tapes here. This is a little bit like this, but just a foiled simple version. And then you've got this like brown one that has the similar foiling that you had here, is kind of the vines. And this one is the one with perforated edges so that you can perfectly, you see this like design just here? You can perfectly get each one right center. So yeah, so I noticed some of them are now perforated, but this one isn't. I guess there's no need for this one to be, so it just makes sense if you've got like a single design that you want to exactly get. I think it's just that one. Like now I feel like I'm looking at all of them to see, are you perforated as well? But I'm pretty sure it was just the brown one. So yeah, that is everything in this month's, well, January's Simply Gilded unboxing video. This is one of those boxes that I just don't even know when I'm going to stop them because I'm obsessed with them. Every month I'm impressed. Every single month. Yeah, every single month. So yes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to internet.